In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and edit a table of contents in Google Docs, step by step. A table of contents makes any document easier to navigate, especially longer reports, manuals, or school papers. It pulls in your section titles automatically and lets readers jump to the parts they need. To make that work, the first thing you need to do is apply heading styles to the sections you want to appear in the table. Simply highlight each section title in your document, open the Styles menu in the toolbar, and choose the appropriate level, such as Heading 1 for main sections, Heading 2 for subsections, and Heading 3 for smaller subsections. Using these built-in heading styles is crucial. Just making text bold or larger won't add it to the table of contents. Keep your hierarchy consistent so the table mirrors your document structure. Next, decide where you want the table of contents to appear. Most people place it at the very beginning, just under the document title. Click to place your cursor in that exact spot. Now insert the table of contents. Go to the Insert menu, choose Table of Contents, and select the style you prefer. You can pick a version that shows page numbers, which is great for printed documents, or a version with blue links, which is perfect for digital documents because each entry is clickable and takes you straight to that section. As you keep writing or reorganizing, you'll likely add, remove, or rename headings. When that happens, update the table so it reflects your changes. Click anywhere inside the table of contents, then click the refresh icon that appears. This regenerates the list based on the current headings. If you need to correct a title or adjust its level, make that change in the document's heading itself, then refresh again. Avoid typing directly inside the table of contents because those manual edits won't stick when you refresh. You can also format the table of contents like normal text to match your document style. Select it and adjust the font, size, or spacing so it blends in with your design and is easy to read. If you decide you don't need the table anymore, click it once to select the whole block and press delete. You can reinsert it later using the same steps if you change your mind. One final tip: only text that uses heading styles will appear in the table of contents. If something's missing, check that it's set to a heading and not just regular text. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Docs tips and tutorials.